Your home is your sanctuary. It's your place of comfort and tranquility. But it is essential to be aware of the potential dangers that can turn your haven into a disaster. Flammable materials like curtains, loose paper, and clutter may seem harmless at first, but when combined with a small spark, they can turn into a deadly fire. A simple lit candle in the wrong place could quickly lead to fire damage that could put you, your family, and your possessions at risk. What you're seeing right now is a home we're currently working on. And although the house may be brought back to its previous state, those possessions, those memories that they cherished, will be gone forever. So here's what you can do to keep your home safe. Keep candles and open flames away from all flammable materials. Store items like paper, boxes, and chemicals properly far away from all potential heat sources. And remember, a little awareness goes a long way. Stay vigilant and keep all flammable materials away from areas that could spark fire damage. Together we can prevent fires and ensure the safety of our homes. Share this important message with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 951-303-1333. Let's protect our homes and the ones we cherish.